Gawis ay agaw takuamin mga ka-adventurers and viewers. Isa muling adventure ang ihahandog namin sa inyo. Ako muli si Ven Pongsila. Welcome to Beacon Hill Eco Park! Akala mo sa ibang bansa na ang adventure, no? Well, ang pakiramdam naman talaga ay parang sa ibang bansa. Pero ang Beacon Hill Eco Park ay isang UK-themed nature retreat dito sa Tublai, Benguet. Kung naghahanap kayo ng presko, relaxing at Instagrammable na nature getaway, malapit lang sa Baguio. Abay swak na swak ang adventure natin ngayon. Bago natin ipagpatuloy ang ating adventure ay gusto ko munang pasalamatan at i-shoutout ang ilan sa ating mga viewers na sina Raquel Alcantara Cabanya, Frederick Causo at Melody Macgalo. Matatagpuan ang Beacon Hill Eco Park sa KM21 Laboy-Lacamen Provincial Road, Golon Ambassador sa Tublai, Benguet. Mga 21 kilometers lang mula sa Baguio City at aabutin ng 30 to 45 minutes depende sa traffic. Kung may sariling sasakyan kayo, dumaan lang sa Halsema Road, tapos kumanan sa Laboy-Lacamen Road at sundan ang mga sign papunta rito. Kung commute naman mula P. Burgos Street sa Baguio City, sakay lang ng jeep paakop Tublai. Baba kayo malapit sa Municipal Hall Arc, tapos lipat sa white modern jeep na may sign na Santo Niño, Laboy, Beacon Hill. Sabihin nyo lang sa driver na ibaba kayo sa Eco Park. Pagpasok pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung lamig ng hangin, amoy pine trees at sobrang peaceful ng paligid. Perfect talaga para mag-unwind. Isa sa mga highlight dito ay ang UK-inspired photo spots. Meron silang London Bus Cafe, red telephone booth at English mailbox. Feeling mo talaga nasa England ka, pero nasa Benguet ka lang pala. Perfect ito para sa mahilig mag-picture at mag-reels. Sa gabi naman may bonfire na pwedeng tambayan. Sobrang cozy lalo na pag malamig. So, nandito kami sa parang Great Wall of Tublai. Great Wall of Beacon Hill. So dapat ready ka sa mga ganitong akyatan. Kasi dapat din magbaon ng tubig. Yeah. So talaga nakakapagod siya. Di ba? Ang ganda ng view. May overnight options din dito tulad ng rustic chalets at camping areas kung gusto nyo magtayo ng tent. Kompleto rin ang amenities tulad ng malinis na CR, utility area at may on-site cafe pa kung magutom kayo. Gusto niyo kape? Pwede tayo mag-coffee. Have a seat, please. Alright. So, meron silang CR dito. At the shower. May heater pa. Social naman dito sa Beacon Hill. Ngayon naman naakitin natin at titingnan natin kung ano ang meron sa taas. So, I think ito na yung pinaka-bedroom. Okay. So, dito sa taas merong tatlong bed na pwede sa mga magbabarkada, family, gano'n. Libre ang aircon, di ba? So dito naman ang room nila, pangalan niya ay Honeybrook. Today's adventures are tomorrow's memories. Wow. Yeah. Ayan. So it's good for two packs. May mga amenities na rin sila, may mga towel, tubig. Ayan, so kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am Jules. Siya ang may-ari dito sa Beacon Hill. Mag-iba kayo sa ating mga...
Yes, hi viewers! Hi followers! Oh, ang history talaga actually ng Beacon Hill. That's why this is the word Beacon Hill has lots of meaning. Ang gusto talaga namin dito is this will be a unique one where people come and unwind, reconnect with nature. Yung mapupunta sila dito and they will feel relaxed. Hindi yung pupunta sila dito at may stress. So, it's more of a retreat thing and we have to appreciate the nature. That's why we preserve this place para dito mo naman kasi malanghap ang fresh air, di ba? And no pollution and no noise. Something special, of course, the English vibes. A little taste of England, a little taste of UK.
Wow!
So, if you notice, lahat talaga naka-integrate, naka-align sa UK vibes, di ba? Starting from the entrance. If you see the entrance, yung mga nandun sa collection sa mga front, I actually bought those from car boot sales in England. Yan ang palagi kong ginagawa doon. That's why hindi ko na-realize, hindi ko in-expect na it will be used here pala ang mga yon. So, it's more of an English thing. We do our online bookings para mas maganda ang natingnan at mas maayos para maiwasan ang overlapping. So those who want to to stay overnight, they can book with our page.
And nasa page nyo rin po ba yung mga price ranges
Yes,
po?
sir. We send the details with the rates and what to expect inside because if you notice our accommodations, we've got different features. We have the London Bus Arriva Cafe and Restaurant with alfresco. We have also Cafe Elizabeth that serves flower teas, coffee. We have pastries and cakes. For the food at the moment, because we are planning to do some bed and breakfast, but at the moment because we just actually opened, this is added amenities of Beacon Hill. At the moment, our guests will order their food at the London Bus Arriva, then we will deliver it to their doorstep. What we want to let our guests feel is hindi pupunta sila na they will enjoy the place. So we will deliver it to their doorstep.
Nag-order kami ng food dito sa Beacon Hill Cafe and meron kaming nakuhang pecan sandwich at may kasamang fries na siya. And itong roasted almond latte.
Yummy!
Notice yung inside ng mga chalet natin, it's intentionally designed for family and group bonding. Pwede silang magluto sa loob. They have fireplace inside to warm the house. And they've got utensils and toilet and CR.
Ano po yung pinaka-peak day na maraming bumibisita?
Oh, actually, the peak season or the peak day is holidays and weekends. That's expected na yan. Maraming tao talaga pag weekends. Pero pag mga weekdays kasi, seniors, it's actually senior days. Yung gusto talaga nilang mag-relax. And we always encourage, we always tell the seniors kasi most of our guests in Beacon Hill are repeat repeat guests ang and they keep coming 3-4 times. They will just tell that we've been here, so they know when we started. All the upgraded ones, they knew it very well.
My name is Billy, and I live in Camp 7. I'm an American ex-military, retired here in the Philippines. And I always visit Beacon Hill.
Yes, sir.
The people treat me just like family here. Of course, lagi ako dito. Diba? So, kasi medyo tahimik dito. Relaxing. Maybe 25 times or
Yeah.
more. It's one of my favorite places to come to relax because look at the environment. It's like you're in England, no? And the coffee shop is very beautiful. The place, the surroundings is very relaxing with nature.
Basically, how would you recommend Beacon Hill to other tourists?
I recommend Beacon Hill because of the theme of England, like a British theme. The coffee shop, the surroundings are so beautiful. The owner here, the owners are very nice and very hospitable towards the tourists.
We look forward for the miniature of the Cotswold Village, and maybe the junior band, and surprise ang iba. We just look, maybe this year, the barn is already ongoing. We try our best na yung makuha namin yung totally talaga na miniature of Cotswold. Para pag mag-picture kayo, parang nasa England kayo, but on your twice look, nasa Tublay pala kayo. United Kingdom of Tublay. Wala po tayo sa London, wala po tayo sa England, pero nandito po tayo sa United Kingdom of Tublay, Benguet.
After 174 steps, mararating natin yung pinakatuktok na part ng Beacon Hill. Meron tayong makakausap na napaka-espesyal. Walang iba kundi ang mga prince ng United Kingdom. Hindi ko lang sino dyan si Prince Charles. Tatanungin natin kung bakit tinawag itong Beacon Hill. Gusto ko silang tanungin kaya lang hindi sila sumasagot. Kaya kung gusto ninyo ng experience na nasa United Kingdom, naku, pasyalan nyo na ito. Diba? And mga adventurers and viewers, kasama natin ngayon sila Melody and Kat, mga tourists dito sa Beacon Hill, at tatanungin natin kung kumusta yung experience nila.
Ang stress naman po namin dito, masaya po siya at pwede niyong puntahan everyday or kahit anong time na meron po kami.
Para sa mga magdi-day tour, ito ang entrance fees. Ang adults ay nasa 100 pesos, ang senior citizens, persons with disabilities o PWD, at ang mga bata mula 5 years old hanggang 11 years old ay 80 pesos. Ang mga bata naman na 0 to 4 years old ay libre na. May pet fee na 20 pesos at may corkage fees din depende sa dala nyo. Open ang park mula 7 AM hanggang 6 PM at minsan umaabot hanggang 7 PM. For bookings and inquiries, i-message lang ang kanilang official Facebook page na Beacon Hill Eco Park o ang Beacon Hill Nature Lodge Facebook page. Overall, ang Beacon Hill Eco Park ay perfect para sa mga couples, families, friends at kahit solo travelers na gustong mag-relax at mag-enjoy sa nature na may kakaibang theme. Thank you so much mga adventurers and viewers. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating adventure ngayon, huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-share at mag-subscribe sa ating mga social media platforms. See you sa ating next na adventure!